ecosystem kids. Organisms such as plants, animals, microorganisms, human beings, ये सब जो living organisms होते हैं, as well as the surrounding kids, yes, as well as the physical surrounding, interact with each other and they try to maintain a balance in the nature kids. Now this is nothing, interaction between living and non-living is known as ecosystem kids. So chalo one more time. All the interacting organisms in an area together with other non-living constituents from the environment is going to form an ecosystem. All these living organisms interact with each other and their growth, the reproduction and other activities kids, they are dependent on their surrounding. Yes, they are going to be affected by the abiotic components of the ecosystem. What are these abiotic components? Let us see. Temperature, rainfall, wind, soil, minerals. So जो living things होते हैं और जो non-living things होते हैं, इनके interactions होते हैं kids. And living organisms का growth and reproduction are they affected by abiotic components. That is the non-living environmental factors. If we take for consideration garden kids, garden is an ecosystem. Garden में insects रहेंगे, plants रहेंगे, grass रहेंगे, birds would be there, flowering trees would be there, frog would be there, living organisms है, and they are going to interact with soil, with water, with air. So yes, garden is an example of ecosystem. All these living organisms interact with each other and their growth, reproduction and other activities are definitely affected by the abiotic component of ecosystem. Some other examples of ecosystem are forest, pond, lake. Now kids, these examples that they are in front of you, they are considered as natural ecosystem. Yes, naturally formed hai, right? Forest, ponds and lake. So do we have something called as man-made ecosystem? Yes, bacha. Crop field, gardens, they are considered to be artificial or man-made ecosystem. Even zoos are going to fall into this category.